In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create Canva animated Instagram stories. By the end, you'll have a finished animated Instagram story designed in Canva and exported as a video or GIF ready to post. Open Canva. You can do this in a web browser or the Canva app. Once the home screen loads, you're ready to start. Click Create a Design. This button is at the top right of the screen. A search bar and a list of common sizes will appear. Select Instagram Story. This preset is sized for vertical stories, so it will fill the screen on Instagram without cropping. Choose a template or start with a blank page. It's on ease. If you want a quick starting point, pick a template from the gallery that matches your style. If you prefer a custom design, choose the blank option and build it from scratch. Either way, you'll land on the editor with your page ready. Add text, images, stickers, or elements. Use the left sidebar to bring in what you need. Click text to add headings or body text, photos or uploads to place your own images, and elements or stickers for shapes and graphics. Drag items onto the canvas and position them where you want. Keep text large and high contrast so it's easy to read on a phone screen. Click any element you want to animate. Select one item at a time on the canvas so Canva knows which object you're editing. You'll see the top toolbar update with options for that element. Click Animate on the top toolbar. This opens the animation panel. If you don't see it, make sure the element is selected first. Choose an animation style for elements or the whole page. Hover over each style to preview how it looks. Apply an animation to a single element for targeted motion, or switch to page animations to animate everything at once for a unified entrance. Pick a style that supports your message without being distracting. Adjust timing and duration if needed. Use the timing controls to fine-tune how fast elements move and how long the page stays on screen. For Instagram stories, keep the total duration short and make sure text remains visible long enough to read comfortably. If something feels too fast or too slow, nudge the timing until it flows naturally. Preview the story using Play. Click Play at the top right to watch it from start to finish. Check that animations are smooth, text is clear, and the pacing feels right. If anything needs adjustment, stop the preview, make quick edits, and play it again. Click Share arrow Download. You'll find Share at the top right. In the menu that opens, choose Download to prepare your file. Select MP4 video or GIF. MP4 video is recommended for Instagram stories because it preserves animations smoothly and uploads reliably. Choose GIF if you need a lightweight looping file without audio. Pick the format that matches how you plan to post. Click Download. Canva will process the file and save it to your device. Once the download finishes, your animated Instagram story is ready to upload directly into the Instagram app. Your Canva animated Instagram story is now complete, exported, and ready to post. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.